Oh, so I kept the stream going by the looks of it. I changed, I don't know if if the internet drops out at all. I just changed the setting like auto end so that if I get dropouts, I could probably just resume the stream, but I don't know if that's if my internet has to remain physical on the computer. For me to keep the stream going. Hang on, I'm just gonna restart streamer button. So that's pretty cool. Mr. Ball, Shawnee, Chris. Hang on, let me just, oh. Oh, hang on, I'm just restarting them, Carl. Oh, they're no working at all, by the looks of it.
I think it would be
Oh, it's not connecting to Streamlabs. Huh. Oh boy. So commands won't work. I wonder if that's something to do with leaving the stream going accidentally. I don't know. I got to remember. That means I got to remember though to go to the studio and end it each time I finish the stream. If I do that, which is kind of annoying because I forget. Obviously, that's what I did this time. Oh, it is too. Everything's broken. Far out. YouTube's broke it all, I guess. I'll refresh that. All right. Oh, it's Twitch saying I'm not connected to Twitch. Interesting. It says 2 or 3. That's weird. And Twitch has got a yellow dot next to it. All right. So that's cool. So I guess if the internet doesn't drop off this computer physically, which is going to be the issue, because that's why it doesn't, that I could keep the stream going, but generally the stream ends when the net drops out, so I'll enable auto stop again so it ends. It's cool. Can deal with that. All right. So we're gonna scour this board. I was talking to Chris while I was out. Just thinking along the same lines as me that maybe there's a. I was thinking of a component missing or something, but suggesting it might have had a mod chip on it that had a cut trace or something. So, everyone on the lookout for a broken trace, cut trace. Usually it would stand out, I must admit. I think if there was, I would have spotted it before, but possibly not. Fix, thank you, mate. Anyone spot anything there? I couldn't. There's no Mechacon on the back of the board. Oh, no. Oh, is that the Mechacon there? It is, sorry. Yeah. Am I going to have to take the QSB back off it? Have a look. I've got continuity on. I tested all the pinouts earlier. Got continuity from all the spots on the QSB. I'm going to have to pull that off, aren't I? By the looks of it. Don't want to. Could be something underneath it that's cut. I would have noticed it though, I would have thought. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That will do it, maybe? Well, those diodes are both on the same line there, with a big blob of solder there. Oh. That's just flux under the pins, the white stuff you see. Once it goes in the ultrasonic, it goes like that, if you don't clean it up properly. The big blob of solder there across the... Oh yeah, it will be. It'll be bridging those 2 points on the diodes are back to front there. Huh. That'll do it, won't it? And that's the drive controller. I bet you that's what it is. How the F did that get there? Must have been there last time though too, because I've modded this once before and had issues and then set it back to stock. Yeah, it's the drive IC, yeah. And these two are shorted across positive and negative. Wow. That's the bet it works now. I was thinking all along it's something to do with the drive. I was looking for one of these to swap it out. And I'm surprised I didn't notice it when I was looking at this earlier and going, I'll swap that IC out in case it's bad. Let's see if I read this now.
I am here!
Anthony, here you go, mate. Where's my working one here? Well, here we go. Oh, it's lifeless now. What the fudge? Huh? There's no life in that at all. What the? That fuse there looks like it might be blown. No. That drive works or not? Oh, there's a blown fuse there. Why did that just blow after cleaning that up though? That's a good question. So that center fuse is blown. Interesting. Why? We're going to pinch one from this board. I don't know what's wrong with this board. Probably works. I'm going to pinch one off the PS3 board, I guess. Big T. Welcome. So this one is blown. Which will be feeding the drive motor most likely. But why did it blow after cleaning up that point? Is a better question. Why did she blow? I'm gonna drink. It wasn't blown before. I cleaned that up. The drive was working before. Certainly is drink o'clock. They're only 1 amps, those fuses, which is interesting. I should just pinch. Smaller ones. just whack one of them on it and see what happens. See if it blows again. Oh, I've got some here anyway. Possibly art, yeah. We'll find out if this pops again. But it was working before. It was spinning up and stuff. It just wasn't reading discs. It was saying insert the PlayStation disc and then press the reset. It was a really different error to usual kind of thing, I guess you'd say. Oop. Interesting. Interesting. Oh boy. Come on, work for me. I'll have to redo the X station. No, still getting it. You serious? And then hit the reset button. Maybe I've killed the motor. Well, the motor's the drive motor. What's his working so? Ah, shit! Fuck. Ouch, that hurt. So the X station still won't boot because I'm still getting this same issue. You reckon? Oh, you sure? Does it? Alright, so do I remove it or I just pull the pins and mod it again? But that's the same. I think I was probably just take it off at this point in time, aren't I? Until it works. Didn't want to take it back off. Pull the pins. Oh, I guess. I'm getting the same error though. Even after finding that blob there. Let's take it off. Just in case. I don't want to have to redo the pins. I'd rather redo this. And keep bending those pins up and down and weakening them. And it gives me a chance to look under here just in case there's a broken trace under here, I guess you could say. Oh, where'd that cap come from? Oh no. Did I just pull that cap from down here? I'm guessing I did. Looks like it was there. Oh no. I think that was there. I have to go back. Someone rewind quickly, see if there's a cap there. Pretty sure that's where it's going to come from. I just got it with the wick. I did. No, I put it back. I've put it back since converting it back to stock, yeah. Did that cap go there though? It's $1 million question. Sure someone's scrubbing back, are they? Check that for me. Oh, there's another cap here. Oh, are you serious? Why have I got caps all around the joint? Where does that come from? That was sitting just there. Where the fudge does that come from? Huh? What the fudge? That was just sitting there. Doesn't even look like it's been soldered. Where the hell would that have come from? In here? Maybe? I'm sure this one has come from here. Oh, what a nightmare. That's causing chaos. Crazy. Huh. It looks new, and yeah, that's what I mean. I don't want to lose it. It's over there still. It kind of looks new, yeah. But I don't only have them floating around on the bench, so. I just don't want to use air on this because of the connector. I will if I have to, but trying not to. Aha! Now there is a connection that's just come loose. It's just taking that pad with it. Resting. Oh shit. No, and I just took that pad as well. This is what I didn't want to do. Oh well. It's done now. Should have used air. And I can fix that, bro. And that pad there's all funky. Wow. Ah, serious? Oh wow. So that one has come from there. Oh, and it's a follow run through. Oh shit, so that one's a run through. Oh no. Are you serious? Fudge. Anyway, there's that. I have to fix that before you even know boot it now. So where's that cap? Oh, now I've lost that cap. Where does that cap come from? Is a better question. Is it meant to be? Ah, so they're all. Maybe this has been the issue. That pad's gone. Oh, serious? Maybe one of these was bad and I couldn't see it. Even though I just pulled a couple. Where did that cap come from? I'm more concerned about right now. Which I've lost the cap now, but anyway. Oh man, that's rank. Fudge. Far out. All right. Let's go one at a time. So from that via, I need that solder pad. I'm wondering if one of these was broken in the first place, to be honest. It's crazy. Far out. Some of the pads I noticed were quite weak when I was soldering it. They were like off their position and stuff. Man, what a nightmare. Anyway, let's fix these up and see if it reads a disc. The second one I found over here, you're talking, there's no cap pads here where I found it sitting right here near my finger. The only other place I can see that I might have taken it from is there. While I was wicking here, kind of thing, the pad under it. But it doesn't look like it was actually, doesn't actually look like that was populated, this point here. It'll only be the ground by the looks of it anyway, but this doesn't look like it had a cap there though, I must admit. It might have. Let's see if it works without it anyway. Because to be honest, well, it might be here on the bench somewhere. I don't have another PU18 board to have a look at to deny or confirm is the problem. This is my last one. So I'm wondering if, because I say some of these pads were really weak before I started. Some were more so, some of them were off position kind of thing. So I'm wondering if one of them had actually lost a contact there somewhere. Maybe that's all. But that wouldn't. Oh well, if they're flow throughs like this, so this, you know, this goes through the pad into another via. The cap should belong there. I have to find the schematics. I have to find out what it was. So I want to curl this to make, because I need to solder to this pad. So I want to make a little squiggle there. Mm-hmm. No. Why, what's wrong? Hey? Should be running fine because I'm running fine here. What are you trying on? On your PS5 or something, or what's it on? What are you trying to download it on? Yeah, so restart your PlayStation and see what happens. Because it's running fine here. Probably because Brock's chewing up something. Who knows? So there's, you mean that bottom point I just pointed out, Carl? So this point here should be a cap. Where did that cap go? Oh, you fucker. Pulled it off that wire, that's alright. I need to make a bigger squiggle anyway. That wire's in pretty poor condition, I must admit. Oh boy. Pushy. Oh, I should be right, just a wire there. It's still going to attach to it. I just pull that. Actually, if I do that and then squidge it in. Oh, this turned into a nightmare now. I want to see it run a game though, I really do. So what I'm going to do here, you watch me work some magic here. I can always run to the pins and stuff, I'm not too concerned about that, but I need to make sure that we have contact from A to B through these that are meant to be. That'll do it, Reg. As I've got a little massive squiggle there that will solder. Okay, dokie. Alright. So that cap, where's that cap? Hang on. It has to be on the bench here somewhere. I can't feel it. I lost the cap. I wonder what rating it is, value it is. Anyway, we'll come back to that. Alright, we got a mess. Absolute mess. Crazy mess. You serious? Wow. Well, that one I can leave. Oh no, oh it goes, yeah, okay, no, it goes, oh shit. Can't leave that one. It goes through to the fire. Makina, Makina, Makina. That one. And then there's Buddy, no I don't want to pet you. And this is that fire to fire. No buddy, I don't want to pet you right now. And no buddy, I don't want to pet you right now. This is just a wire with a test pad. And then we have so this wire test pad. Oh no, so that's different. Okay, hang on. And then, oh man, it's wow. Jeez. And that's so. This is through there to there. This is through there to there. And this is just a test pad to there. Doesn't seem to go anywhere. Wow. What a schmozzle. Right. So there, through to there. And there, which one did via? There. So I'm actually leaning towards maybe one of them was worse than I knew about and had an issue. Preventing anything working, kind of thing. You know what I mean? Alright, so that's them. Finish these ones off. See if we get a game. So, oh, that's just a test pad, so we're not, I can sort that out later. There to there, and then there to there. Should have listened to Chris, eh? Lift the pins. I wouldn't be dealing with this right now. And then that cap, I'm just going to put a whatever I feel funky with on there. Oh, there's another rail missing. There. Hang on. Stop it. There's another one there I haven't seen what looks very nice. Oh, hang on, am I going the wrong spot? I'm just dodging this to see if it boots. So we got from here up along to here. The next one goes from here across to here. And then, oh, this one's a test pad as well. Okay, so it doesn't go anywhere. Alright, that's what I'm saying. So this via here to here. And this via here to here. So that shouldn't matter if they're not connected right now. And we will see how we go now. So from this via through the pad there up to the trace. from this wire up the trace to here, across the pad as well, but to the trace, and this trace across the pad to here. Alright. And I say this is just to here, which we can sort out later. Doesn't seem to go anywhere else. This around here, this goes to here. We can fix that later. We just want to see. Oh, now the cap. Yeah, make a drink. Oh, what a fuck! I should have used hot air to get that off, or lifted the pins like Chris suggested. I just did want to go through that again, and I would have snapped a pin for sure. Works, which I don't think it will. I'll redo all that and mask it and make it pretty and tidy, and because I'm going to have to put the Watsy back on top. A quick USB. Cap. Oh. Where did that cap go? Oh, there it is. Got it. I got it. It's all good.
I've zoned out 3 times since you started talking, so what I find
So unless there was actually a bad connection, but I tested the connections earlier too, but the ones that go in 2 ways, they might not have been connected. They might have been done one way, but not the other way. Who knows? Who knows? If I still have this disc issue, I don't know what's something. I thought that bridge might have been the issue, but obviously not. Right, will it play a game? If it does, one of those traces must have been broken underneath. And I didn't see it. First or second time round. Kind of thing. Yeah, he's good now, Dennis. Yeah. Oh, that doesn't even want to run now. What? Guess I got some shit on it. No! Just a disc. Trying to read it. It's not rolling into the game though. Oh man. Fudge. It's being all funky at the moment. Nope. So there has to be something wrong with those lines there somewhere, but I'm not seeing. Alright, I'm going to have to do them one by one and do them up properly. Mask them as I go and do all that jazz. Thought I could just slap them together quickly and then see if it works and go from there, but that's not happening. Alright, unless I missed one. Where are we? Did I miss any? So that one goes through the pad, which is not there, into there. This one goes from the wire through the pad to there. Makina. So they should be fine. And then we got from the wire there through the pad, which is not there, into the trace. Then we got from the wire to the wire through the pad. This one's, let's say this one just goes to the pad, so we can leave that for now. This one just goes to the pad, we can leave that for now. And then this one goes through the pad up to the trace. This one goes from the trace through the pad to the trace. And then this one goes from the trace through the pad. So it's wired, right? Why is it not reading now then? Am I missing something there somewhere? So, unless I'm missing one, I haven't. And I put the resistor back. There is. Unless that cap doesn't go there. You sure you saw that cap there, Carl? This one? Unless that cap doesn't go there. I believe you, but I don't want to mask again until it, I don't want to be going to mask off. So we got from this wire through the pad into there. Everything looks alright. So why? Unless that other cap wasn't meant to be... Where was the other cap I put back on? Took that up. Must have... Which I thought was this one. Which Carl said again. He looked at it and that was it. So... Via... Through to trace. Via through to via. Everything looks good there. Unless I'm missing something here, which I doubt it. Because this via just goes to this pad. Doesn't go anywhere else. And this via goes to this pad, doesn't go anywhere else. So even though it's dodgy, I'm not worried about that right now. I just wanted to hook them back up. Everything's wired like it should be, as far as I can see. Unless there's another one I haven't spotted. So I don't think there is. Where's the top one I hooked to? Here. It's alright. Ah, fudge, I don't know. Well, the cap wasn't across these two. No, it wouldn't have been across these two. Because the quick solderable goes to one of those. Goes to there. Well, oh, you know what? Fudge. It's hard to see, but that one there, huh, goes three ways. So this pad here missing actually has a tab off it there, I think. Oh, I can't tell. It almost looks like it's meant to go up to this pad as well, from there to there. Or am I seeing things, or is it just the shit on? No, I'm seeing things. I need another board. I don't have another board. Fuck. Sid, how you going, mate? I don't have another board to compare. Whether this is meant to go across to here and then up to here. I can have a look on. Yeah, as I was going to do, Chris, have a look at the pictures, yeah. It's the only thing I can think of. Let's see what in that. I'm looking at can't really see with that. I'm looking at this one here. Don't know if I'm going to get a picture of it. So I'm looking at, which one is it? The one under the corner of the chip, and this one here. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I need a really high res picture. second one under, so I don't think they're going to join. It's these two here I'm looking at. I can't see a trace between them, so. Can't see it. Two. Very. This point here, there doesn't look like there's a trace between these two. So I feel it's wide, right? But it's now not even loading the game. And I know the laser's good. But yeah, just looking now, I can't see you'd notice a via between them here. It's these two here. I'd expect to see a line between the two. And I wouldn't expect them to be bridged either. So I think the wiring's good, so why is it not? Yeah. Man. Oops, I hit the wrong button. Tristan, how you going, mate? Oh, I do have another picture of. Oh, hang on, I might better see it with this. Oh, maybe not. Hang on. I did have a test point thing open. Might better see it in this picture now, but it might be no because it's in the way. But it's basically these two here. So yeah, no, it looks. So it's these two here. There's no. Oh, is there a trace between the red dot and that pad? It doesn't look like it. No, it's not. All right. Reading it's just not rolling into the game now. Really weird. Ah, man, what a pain in the ass. What a pain in the ass. So I think I'll just go back over that wiring, do them one by one and mask them. Make them look pretty and whatnot. But I don't think that's going to solve our issue. No more before there, isn't there? What a pain in the ass. I wonder if I can just Google her. Oh, I'm sure that Whatsy's not meant to have continuity between them. Bank money on that. Alright, so what I'm going to do, well, I've only got time. Yeah, I'm here till the wifey gets home. It should be 20 minutes or so. What I'm going to do is come back here. So unless there's another spot that I'm just missing, not seeing. Or another connection off a pad that I'm not seeing. Yeah, it's not giving us. I can hear it kind of reading it too. Really weird. I'm guessing there might be something else here. I'm going to use my super duper invisible wire. Like the super duper duper invisible one that I can't even fucking see right now. This one's crazy thin. 0.004 or something. It's amazingly like, wow, is there actually a wire there? What I'm going to do, jeez, I can't see the end of it. Jesus. Oh, it's that thin, I just pulled it and snapped it. Huh. This shit is like excruciatingly painfully small. Can you guys even see it on camera? Yeah, you can. It's tiny, this shit. It really is. Maybe I should use the biggest actually, because if I break this and after I'm masking it, I have to spin it around and get it on. Yeah. Let's use the other one. That's them next to each other. I don't know if you can see that. Small one on the right, big one on the left. It's absolutely microscopic. Tiny. Alright, and I really what I want to do is fill this pad with zigzags kind of thing. So it's got, if I'm going to redo the mod, I've got something there to solder to. You can try Dennis, but no. You're better off trying to clean your original one, the prism underneath. Chris taught me that. It's like you got more chance of rectifying your existing one than buying a good one from AliExpress or somewhere. So what I want to do here is, I don't know if I can make this work or not, we're going to try. I want to like zigzag this through the pad. Like so. So I kind of have a pad. Like so. So we all agree I got the right pad there, right trace, went from A to B where it should be. Pretty sure I have. We're all hunky with that. Oh, wifey's home. So I'm out at 5. Minutes I'm out. Is that puppies? Alright, so this one we did it, so trace through the pad. I made like a makeshift pad, just see. Hey birds, it's Friday! And then back into the trace. Masked, can't move, should be good. No. You all happy with that one? Are we? Are we? Are we? Are we? Are we? Are we? So I think even I'm redoing them, but I honestly think they were fine. I don't think there was actually an issue with the previous lot of repair. Anyway, so this is just in case I can get it going. I'm going to put the X station back on it, kind of thing. So. Be a little bit more difficult. So anyway, so that's that one. And then this one goes from the via here, through the pad, into this trace here. Alright, so we're going to do the same thing. So on the wire. We're gonna mask that. I just didn't want to do this in the first place without making sure it's working, you know what I mean? That's why I just went and slapped them all together, went just slapped some wires in between and see if it goes. It's not going. So I don't think doing it nicely is going to fix the issue, but anyway, this is where we're at. Alright, so we're going to do the same again, make a pad. And then bring it back to the trace. Just there. I'll squash that up in a minute. Oh, sort that out. Oh, ah, you fucker. Stop it. Alright. We have a pad. Happy with that? Finish you right, no. Oh. No, it went well until I got home. I gotta go make a drink. Went well until I got home to do this. Went pear-shaped after that. Alright, I'll be back, hang on. How's that, babe? Okay. So we're all hunky-dory with these two. The only two damaged ones here. This one's still good. Everything else around here looks good. Sure, Carl's telling me the truth about this cap here. We've replaced that. I've got found it and put it back on. Now we're back up to here. Now, whoop. Now, as far as we can see here, this wire goes into this pad and into this trace. Yeah? And then this wire goes into this pad and into this wire. Yeah? And then the only ones left are the ones up here, which are all fucked too, anyway. So, let's do it again. So, this wire let's mask it. Then we'll make a makeshift pad. Because if this works, I'm going to, I can get it re-disc, so I'm definitely going to put an X station in it. But... I need to go after these two. Zoe's waiting for me to walk the dogs with us, so I'll do the others in the morning. Might just do that one with 2 runs like that. Still going to be soldered, still going to attach to it when need be. Oh, shit. Alright. Another makeshift pad. I can't see why fixing these isn't solving the disk issue though, or read issue. Alright, so we're happy with that one. And then the next one is just from this trace through the pad into this wire, like it's nothing special. So we've got that one. We've got I'm thinking I'm missing one. I really am, but probably not. So we've got that one. We've got that one. We've got that one. Do this one. And I'll leave these till morning and redo these. So these again through this pad, through this pad. But they're just A to B's, and this one's through this pad. So I don't understand what's... Well, I might try it after I do this, the next one. Because these should be alright. I just don't understand why they're not working. And then, let's say the ones I've left, which is this one, doesn't go anywhere. It just goes into this wire. There's no wire in the board there, and it goes through that wire. And then this wire, this goes to this pad and doesn't go anywhere from that pad. So, I don't get it. So, alright, let's do this one and just see what happens, I guess. Where'd my wire go? I've lost my wire. Oh, there it is.
delicious.
Frackin soft, irresistible, innocent, sincere biscuits.
I'm questioning the effect the game involving cake. While doing the weekend cakes, Dave had a revelation.
But it's spinning the disc up. It doesn't control the reads, I don't think. I think it's just the energy for the drive motor. I don't think it sends any kind of, oh, it's gone cold, any kind of data through to the mecha kind of thing. It's just a power rail kind of thing, I would think, like a power controller. Drives and motors, and then the data is separate, which is the mecha con. Oh, stop it, come on. I could be wrong, but my technical thinking is that's what I'm thinking. Oh, fucking stop it. This one's been a bitch. Flux it for me, baby. Problem solved. Alright. Wire. Come out that way because I want to zigzag again. Wire.
A man who allegedly stabbed a female follower of the world was including 40 years ago. Charged with a string of offences, including attempted murder and stalking. The 3-year-old was granted custody to a kid of forced. Federal police have reportedly received reports of a crime following comments from One Nation's Frackin Benson. She's got criticism after suggesting there are no Muslims following abortion bulging. This report today
It was supply power to it, Carl, yeah. But I don't think that dude didn't turn up with his Series X at 10 past 4. I don't. It's not. So it's data. It seems to be data's the problem at the moment because it's not recognizing a disc there at all. Spinning it up, I can hear the laser moving and doing its thing. It's just not going load me. Is what I'm perceiving from what I'm seeing, kind of thing, yeah. I don't have another IC. That's the thing, I don't have that revision anywhere. This is the only board I've got of this revision to... I had a look at another board, it's got a different revision. But we did it with the PS2 recently. I swapped out the driver and it did with a different revision and it worked, but that doesn't mean this one will. But yeah, like it's spinning up and the laser's moving and stuff like that. It's just, and it's going in initial stages and it's trying to read it. It's just not doing anything. It's really weird. It's not loading it into the RAM or whatever. Like there's no data flowing. That's what I'm saying from, like, that's just my technical thinking there, what I'm seeing going on at this, as I'm going through all these motions. Could be totally wrong though.
To put that together and amazing.
Oh. Oh. There's my makeshift pad again. So I'll do the rest tomorrow. We'll just try this quickly. I don't think that's going to make any difference because all I've done is tidy up the work, not find anything wrong with it. But yeah, need to go and do the dogs to the wifey. Just see what that does though. I'd be gobsmacked if it actually does go. Don't think it will though. Alright. So tomorrow I'll finish the other ones off. Now the bridge across the two diodes coming out of the motor controller was really weird. Before I removed that bridge's splash of solder, it was giving me like a disc read issue of some description, which I've never seen before, but it was. Alright, so that's that. I've got the resistor in place next to the crystal. So there's only 3 there on the monitor, but I'll fix those other pads up too. Because I'm going to need them if it works. But in the end. And also I know this laser's good. Yeah. Oh, not this one. This one. Right. It's definitely like the disk side of an issue because the console boots. It's obviously to do with the drive side of it, hands down. No, I know the laser's fine. I fixed this laser and it works. There's something going on with whatever's been pulled and whatever there. I was getting the thing before, like insert PlayStation disc and press reset. It's not rolling into that even now. Like it's just totally changed. It gets to a point where it stops trying to read anything. So when I first initially close the lid, technically, the laser does something, then it kind of stops. So it's reading now, reading now, reading now, reading, and like it's doing what you would normally find it does. It's just not rolling into it on the screen. It's really weird, really weird. No, the laser's fine, Pushel. You're not listening. Stop it! I know this laser works. But does this, and it's still trying to read now. I just heard it move and click, and it's still trying to read. It's still reading now. It's reading. It's actually running like it's actually running the game. But the screen's not rolling over, is what I'm getting at. The screen's not rolling into. I'm going to load this disc. Oh, it's just not showing you, kind of thing. Is what I'm getting at. It's definitely reading though. I can tell by what I'm hearing. can probably load this because it's not a game. What do I see there? So it should throw it up. It's like it. I wonder if you know what? I don't know. I wonder if it's frozen there. The screen. I need to plug the controller port in and plug the controller in and see if I can move around the screen. It's weird. It may be freezing there and that's the problem. Maybe it's not going past that dashboard and I think it's sitting there wanting to do something. It's not. Okay, so we've got controller works. So it's not frozen, what I'm getting at there. Oh, now it's... So... No, it wasn't reading that. No, it's not gotten any... Start seeing the songs there, bang, 10 songs, is it? And then it drops out. Stops and drops out, yeah. That's interesting. You had a game, just kept spinning. And now it is frozen. Okay. I know what it is. So 1 hour, 47 minutes.
You're welcome.
And then it drops out. You see the time there? It goes, picks it up, sees it, and then stops. There we go. That's what so if we're back to, hang on. We're back to that, then it's a good thing, because that's where I was at before. That was the problem I'm trying to track down. That insert disc and press the reset button. JC! I'm just about to go. I need to go. I'll fix those other ones up in the morning. So I really don't think it's going to be the issue. Oh!
My penis is small.
Shit. Oh! So it's doing exactly the same as the X Station. Black screen on Game Boot. Oh my god. So this is what the X Station does. And that's why I converted it back to stock. And because the X Station was doing this, I could hear the chime as it loads the disc. And then it would just go black screen.
Give me some chon chon.
So but before that, I was getting that screen we just saw where it says like put a disc in and press the reset button. We would roll from this into the insert a disc and press the reset. It's trying to read. I can hear it. It's doing its thing. It's not the laser, trust me. I can hear it going right now, and it's doing its thing. And it's freezing there. I just heard this. It's frozen. I just heard the screen where it's loading the game. So it's frozen there. I can't do anything. So it's freezing now. What the fudge? I thought it was loading the game before. Oh, that's running the game. The screen's frozen. I can't move my mouse pointer kind of thing. And I can hear this reading and loading and doing its thing. So it's freezing up the screen, yeah. It's definitely running. I can tell by the way that's going. It's running for sure. So it's not rolling out of the dash into the game, even though I just heard it. I actually physically heard it roll into the PS screen when it makes that chimey noise. I don't know, oh, that was just stopped now. I put the pins down earlier. Oh, so so it's currently frozen while it's trying to read. and I just heard it load. I just heard the splash screen chime ching, as the PS2 logo, or the PS logo comes up on the screen, and now it's frozen. Fudge! What a bitch. So I've got a totally different issue now. So now I can, like, while I don't load the game, I can move the pointer. And then you watch the audio CD, which is, I find strange. It'll pick it up as 10 songs.
Is it drink
And then and then the songs disappear. You watch. So the 0 hours, 0 minutes above the continue there, you watch, it'll come up saying, and all the songs will turn, right, there we go, bang, 10 hours, 39 minutes, or whatever. And then they drop out, bang, the disc stops. And I reckon I'm still frozen. Oh no, I'm not frozen with audio. It's freezing with games. Okay, interesting. So I'll be, what's this? I can hear it. Oh, actually, I'll try and, yeah, you should be able to hear this. You'll hear the ching. Hear it then? Bang. It's loading the game. The screen's frozen. I can't move the pointer now. So I've got a totally different issue. Anyway, we'll revisit. Fix the other pads up. There must be, unless there's something else I knocked off that I'm physically not seeing, wicking that off, or I've pulled another trace somewhere that I'm not seeing. It's definitely running the game, you know. No, you don't touch the BIOS, no. No. It did, so the problem is it didn't work before the mod. So I modded it, because I'd already modded it. So long story short, I already put an X station in this 12 months ago, which I didn't realise, because I opened up and went, I've already put an X station in this, because I could see all the marks where I scratched back and whatnot. And I've already X stationed this and it didn't work. So I went, oh fuck it, we'll do it anyway. Put in, and it boots. So you can hit, and again, it's the same with the X station, it freezes on game boot. So the X station is technically a game. It loads the PS logo and then rolls into the emulation side of it. I could hear it chime like it's booting, but the screen just goes black. I went, so and then it stupidly pulling this back off. I pulled all those fucking pads. So, and it's not them, because it's physically loading the game, and I just, for some reason the system's freezing, not rolling over with the image. So anyway, I'll finish fixing those pads in the morning. You sure that cat was there? Are you sure that cat was there? Not that I don't believe you. So that second cap that I found up on the left, and I put it where I put it. Are you 100% sure it was there? Because it didn't, to me it didn't look like that was populated. So it could be just that cap if it's not meant to. I need to, oh, actually, you know, I should be able to see that in the picture of the board. Should be able to see that in this picture. So there is a cap there. Oh, is that a cap there? So this one here. So I'm talking about. That's a cap, isn't it? Let me find a different picture. So where I'm talking about is here, yeah. So unless, oh, hang on, I might be missing a second cap. Hang on. Oh, how can I, go back up? I need a closer fucking picture. Here. So, oh, I still can't see it. Oh, hang on. Ah, so the cap, oh, maybe the resistor's gone. There's a cap and a resistor there. That's the cap I put back on here. Is the resistor gone? Did I knock that too and I haven't noticed? Right, resistors there. Alright, cool. So that's fine. Cap there and the resistor. So I don't know. And then the other points where that other cap was, I thought I took off was here. I think. Yeah. So the other cap was this one here, just under the 3 yellow dots. So everything seems to be in place. So yeah, I don't know. We'll revisit it tomorrow. Is there anyone I can raid? Is anyone live that I can raid? Because I need to go. Check customization, redirect. Is anyone live that I can raid to? No. Okay. Yeah, so everything, the resistor and cap are there, so. Oh, what the fuck happened over here? Yeah, anyway, well, I'll finish off fixing that up in the morning. But it's since I've taken this off and pulled a few of those pads which I'm repairing, its symptoms have changed. So that's the issue. So I fixed those two, and I've got those 3 to go. Anyway, it doesn't matter. If I scrap, I've got a 1000 series there. I can install the X station into with the different PCB, but yeah, quick little QSB. I will return tomorrow. I might start early tomorrow, early finish tomorrow because it's Saturday. So thank you everyone. Grona, Carl, JC, Falcon, Squishy if you're lurking, Pushy, Stabber, Makina, Chris, Dennis, anyone that I've missed that's lurking. There's only 11 of us. Art, if you're still there. And Big T. I'll resume positions at the bench tomorrow. Chicka chicka bow wow! Anthony, see you mate. Final man, you too. Geez, so mate, so I don't know who's watching. Budges.